Alright, it's Jay Crawls. I'm back. I wanted to do a review on the Element Troop. It's a cool unit. I've got 3 of them now, and I've opened up some more moves on that guy. I wanted to show you. You see, I got him at level 3 right now. So the burn shots is just basically a single flame that does 56 to 75 times 2 on a single block, a single unit. But the barrage is what's cool because it actually hits the unit in the center with the most damage and then gives DOT damage to the surrounding units. So you got the flame barrage, and then you can also do the ice barrage as well, which is available at level 3. So of course 25 nanopods to unlock each of these barrages. So it is a pretty high cost at the beginning. The unit, I believe, is like 60 nanopods to start with. I can check that real quick. See the unit. Well, the cost is right there. Yeah, 60 nanopods to build the unit, and then 25 for each upgrade for those 2 things. Initial cost. But the benefit is if you use the freeze barrage and it freezes several of the units that are in these squares, then you can use the flame shot directly after that, and then it'll give them the max damage. When a unit is frozen, its defenses are down, so it takes max damage and is more likely to get the critical shots as well. So I'm going to use these guys and show you these 2. You don't get the 4th ability shot until level 6, which is pretty far away. So, but I have the barrage on, the fire barrage and the ice barrage, and just the regular flame as an option. So I want to show you guys how these guys work. So you can move it anywhere on the space unless it's a blocking unit. Say if this was a blocking unit, then you couldn't come behind here, so you'd have to just select it there. But I'll show you what this unit does. Okay, took crits on all those, froze the back 2 units, didn't take very much damage from the front row, but then you can come follow up right behind with the fire. And you see those that are frozen, those 2 in the back that frozen died. Of course, they have less hit points because they're weaker units, but they took higher hit points because of the being frozen. And these up front are probably alpha boars. This guy's alpha and this guy's an alpha, so you can see the difference. There's an alpha boar. He has 375 hit points left. That alpha boar has 425. So that was just one shot. Now let's see what happens again here. Crits froze all 4 of these units here. So if I hit them with fire, now remember the guy in the blue square is going to take the most damage, and these are going to take the DOT damage surrounding. So you can kind of see what happened to those guys. And I can just freeze these guys in the middle here and see what happens. Froze all 3 of those guys. Now I'll use the flame on those. And okay, so now you can kind of see I've used each of these units 1 time, and I've taken out the back row, and I've pretty much destroyed most of the front row here without using any without using my mega tanks or any other units. So since I've got these, I'll just go back through and see what happens. The freeze does take a lot of damage. I'm pretty impressed with the freeze damage. Since this is the only pig, he's an alpha boar, I'll hit him with the max. If you were doing the single shot, the single flame, I would suggest freezing first. The blue right here is a definite freeze, so it has a 100% chance. you put it on the unit, that means that guy in the center will definitely get frozen. This guy's just, it's more of a luck of the draw on the others. But so I'll freeze this guy, and then I'll hit him with just a direct fire shot. And you can see, look, 102, 102, hitting max and wiped him out. So that's pretty awesome. I'm going to freeze this guy, and he took negative 86 damage. And then I'll hit him with the just the flame, single flame, and 80 and 99. So I mean, just going through the rounds with those guys, it did that. And right now they're level 3, and they're still ranking up. So, and my megas are 5. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Let me know by your comments. Thanks.